JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link TL-WR840N, 300 Mbps wireless and router, unboxing and demonstration. 300 megabits per second wireless transmission rate is ideal for both bandwidth-sensitive tasks and basic work. The guest network provides separate access for guests while securing the home network. Parental controls manage when and how connected devices can access the internet. IPTV supports IGMP proxy, snooping, bridge, and tag VLAN to optimize IPTV streaming. Compatible with IPv6. Multi-mode, 4-in-1. Router mode, access point mode, range extender mode, WISP mode. Package contents, installation guide, LAN cable, 9V DC power adapter, TL-WR840N unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.